Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and in another video. Today I'm gonna provide you the promo code for Domino's pizza. So without wasting time, let's get start the video. Sorry. So the first offer is you can buy any large specialty pizza for $11.99 by using this code, and the code is 9175. So this is the code. By using you can get a large specialty pizza for $11.99. So the second offer is enjoy up to 55% off on your purchase by using this code, and the code is 5198. So this is the code. You can get 50%, 55% off. So guys, use these codes and get rewards, and thanks for watching the video.